Kachnong Wahiajer daman go kachnong wa ar wa em hawaro ka wi Ri-loom Jaiñtia wa yo yaka prime hop ka wa em hajan ka madan bol warim kachnong. He wa ne da wan wai ya gani ka thau da umantri rang ba ka jalla u konrat ke sangma. Kani ka prime hop to ka wa da em chwa hayung kre kam ka thalas kain CNR di blong tangwa ka wa wai ka ni wan to ka wa em ka thau e sikai ka kharkhana kre de lang ka cold storage yo bu ya gi mar yo lai ki upun ka prime hop opura wanang kong Ri-loom Jaiñtia to ko em halas kain we gani ka wa Wahiajer upalaya ka da ka Wahiajer IVCS najrongi e sikai daw yarap le upalayaw ya ki mar kamaman kat te usdang chwa duwo chana ya ki saro he wad em le ka kor wa open smart chana saro Umantri rang ba awi ye kelam do angu wana chwa da chalan yo saro kamu plang iwada poi hadu chispa klur chisnem tang wakat tu de wapen kala ya uniu plang kamu saro wo ye open em kam da ku iyo nong chaka ar hajar klur chisnem cucu do angu wa ya gani ka prime hop to ko wada ye open dep du hapoh katu ka ni banai don hi ko wada ju chimpor kam wa pra banai we lut to so klur yo chna ya gani we do angu le wa komen wo khana wa ha gani ka thau dapen em kam de bor ka sngi na mo ka solar energy nengkong ha gani ka thau chna du soro we hadin daw man gole ne benta ki warep sapdong wa ki warep in we ka sarkar daw bo thong go bo chna palan san phau tali kam kini ki prime hub hawaro ki district ka jalla hagani ka yalang de em lang ki sambut menteri rang ba ki te to usnga balang dhar uprastun tensong de wa em umantri sarkar u coming one mbon usi em ke DC utam bor siwan ki MDC ki bor district wa ki bru pajba
happy today that we finally have this particular prime hub where we are now making brooms, and just to give an idea to the public that we are exporting roughly about 1,000 crores worth of brooms and grass every year. Once we add value to this, we can increase the size of this sector from 1,000 crores to 2,005 crores by adding value to it, and all this money will go to the cooperative societies, to the public, and to the farmers and to the entrepreneurs. So similarly, in every other product like turmeric, we started by only growing the turmeric. Now we are producing the powder, we are producing slices, we are even producing curcumin today. So like this, slowly and steadily, we hope that in all the blocks of the state, we will have one prime hub and different infrastructures for the farmers. But I must add to this that ultimately the success of any of these places will depend on you. We can create the infrastructure, but it is the people, the community, and the cooperative societies who have to make this a success. Hence, I'm very happy this kind of infrastructure has come up in matter of just months. This takes anything between 4 to 8 months to construct. So we can come up with these infrastructures in different parts. It costs about 4 crores to make this. And as you can see that this is completely solar powered. We don't need any conventional energy out here. It is completely from renewable energy that the cold storage is running, the lights are running, the machines are running, all on solar power. So this is another very unique point about these prime hubs. And as I mentioned, our target is to see that we are able to put this throughout the state in as many blocks and constituencies as possible, wherever the IVCSs are active.